What's going on, guys? This is our Ariana Grande guitar effects pedal prototype. Ooh, just look at my conversations here. Pause and read, pause and read. It's also a universal digital effects pedal because you can change how I structured the script. You can change the file reference to anything you want or tap into the hardware hook to run distortion, delay, reverb for any style of guitar playing. But I am calling this an Ariana Grande pedal because I have a custom synth snippet loaded into it. You could go to this pedal framework would actually work with a real guitar. If you tap into it or change it a little, tap into it, make it work. We included that. Proofs that it works, basically, for that purpose. That's why we included it. You could use the pedal board library. Found on GitHub, or read our conversation there that I just showed. It's found somewhere else too. You'll see where it's found. Python package or something like that. Python packages or something. PyPy or something like that. You could find it on there. Plug your guitar into that and you could run your guitar with that and then connect the pedal board app. Connect pedal board to our Ariana Grande guitar effects pedal, our universal digital guitar effects pedal. And it'll work. It'll actually work. It'll actually sound like an Ariana Grande effect. If depending on what you put, depending on the sound effect that you put, the sound file or the sound effect that you put in it, yeah. Insert an MP3 or WAV file here. The name of your file. A sound effect, basically. That's the effect that's going to be your guitar is going to be turning into, basically, to test it out yourself. You could plug pedal board into this. Actually test it out. It'll actually work. It'll actually play an Ariana Grande effect, or it'll actually convert your guitar playing to Ariana Grande effects or whatever effect you have put on there. Prototype. Proof of work. Use any sound effect you want. It'll convert your guitar playing into that sound effect. Plug in pedal board. Use pedal board and plug it into our app here, our program here. It'll actually work. We included the code for it. All right. Let's see it. This is a command to run it. The sample that I put in there is kind of long and it's various different notes in it, but if you make your own or insert your own, I recommend just a single note. Just a single note. That's her song. I Hate That I Made You Love Me. The intro synth part. That's it, guys. I recommend one note so it's clean, easy, proper, instead of multiple notes that are different in like they're actually different notes on the actual they're actual different notes playing a bunch of different notes as you can hear. It's all over the place, but you could just make it into one note basically if you want. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the guitar pedal effects. I'll see you guys next time. Ariana Grande guitar effects or a universal digital guitar effects pedal. Make your guitar sound however you want. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.